What does the program use the while statement for? The use of the while loop in this program allows the for implementation of a repeated cycle controlled by a condition. In this case, the condition being evaluated is whether the number of plays made is less than or equal to the maximum number of plays allowed. This loop enables the player to make attempts to guess the number within a predefined limit of play. Therefore, the while loop provides a flow of control that allows the program to continue running as long as the specific condition is met, which in the case means the player still has attempts available to guess the number. Once the maximum number of allowed plays is reached or exceeded, the while loop stops, and the program proceeds to evaluate whether the player has won or lost the game. How do you exit the while statement? The while loop exists when the condition specified within the parentheses evaluates to false. In this case, the condition is jugadas realizadas menor o igual al número de jugadas. This means the loop will execute as long as the number of plays made is less than or equal to the maximum number of allowed plays. To exit the while loop, two conditions can be met. Number one, the player gets the correct number before all available plays are used up. Number two, the number of plays made exceeds the maximum allowed. What value does the variable jugadas realizadas reach at the end of the cycle? At the end of the cycle, the value reached by the variable jugadas realizadas depends on whether the player guessed the number or not. If the player guessed the number adivina puntos jugadas realizadas, he is set to evaluate whether at adivina punto número de jugadas realizadas to exit the loop. If the player did not guess the number and exhausted all attempts, adivina punto jugadas realizadas will be equal to adivina punto número de jugadas.
After a maximum of how many moves can the player find the magic number? The number of easier opportunities is limited by the constant number of jugadas, which is declared as 10, and the variable jugadas realizadas, which is declared as 0. So the opportunities start from 0 to 10. And in the interval 0 to 10, there are 11 numbers. Then the user have 11 opportunities. We can see how the code executes the jugadas realizadas exceeds número jugadas in line 20 of class main and line 19 of class adivinanza. Explain the input data wires constants. The variable nombre jugador is used to know how to refer to the user. The variable número X is used to save the number proposed by the user as magic number. And the variable máximo sets the limit of what the largest magic number will be. The input data combined by the keyword final are constants used for something that should not change, like the rules of the game. We will talk about the constant of this code in the next slide. Why do you think the constants are used in the definition of line 7 and line 9? Constants are those that have the final modifier, meaning that the value, once assigned, cannot be changed. They are used in the code for what will be rules of the game. things that the user cannot change. The constant number of jugadas is used to apply the rule of number of opportunities that the game gives, and the constant minimum is used so that the range of the possible magic number starts for 1. The constant number of jugadas is used in the line 19 of class Adivinanza and line 20 of class main, and the constant minimum is used in the line 37 of class Adivinanza. Explain lines 34 to 35 of the class Adivinanza. On lines 34 to 35, a public void is created, where public refers to the method being accessible for anywhere in the program, and void refers to the method's return type, which indicates that the method doesn't return any usable value when called. This public void is used in the code to create a magic number, using the imported class random. Specifically, within the public void crear número mágico, an object of the random class called van is created, and then used by applying a formula to produce a random number within the range of the constant minimum and the variable maximum. We can see in the code the formula to create a random number in a certain interval. So we can say that the public void crear número mágico can be seen as a magician creating a random number or as a simple roulette wheel.
For suppose that the max 200 and min 100, what possible values will number mágico have? The variable is a bait, not an int, and the result is not positive because the max is less than min. The variable not a char or int, because not possible for is less than min. E5. Suppose that the max 110 and min 90, what possible values will number mágico have? Número mágico has a range between 19 to 110, that is 19, 109, because it's in the byte range. In this case, it's possible because the max is correct and the min. If, how can I cheat at the game? What instructions will you put in the code to perform the cheat? This game has many ways to cheat. One of those ways is to always generate the same number. You can manipulate the crear número mágico method so that it always generates and returns the same number instead of a random number. For example, you could set número mágico to a specific value such as 42. Byte número mágico equals 42. Another way is to modify the algorithm method to always declare victory. This is the form. Número mágico equals 42, or in this case, si gano, 2. This is the form to cheat in this game.